How to recognize the bad Mini engine mount problems in Dallas. Engine mount is a vital component in Mini that can hold the engine in its place. Depending on the Mini model, the engine mount should last between 5 to 7 years. To keep the engine stable and prevent vibrations, engine mounts are going on a frame. Mounts reduce the vibrations by absorbing the shocks of Mini to provide you a smooth ride. When the engine mount has any problems, it will show the following signs in Mini. Starting issues. If the engine mount has failed, you will experience excess lurch while starting the engine. Bad engine mounts cause a jolt while changing the gears attached to the transmission. Produce excess noise. If you hear noise from the engine, then the engine mount is either failing or worn out. In this case, you will hear strange noises from the engine like knocking or clanking noise. Vibration increased. If you notice more noise produced with excess vibrations, then check the engine mounts. When the engine mount is damaged in Mini, then you will experience issues like decrease anti-vibration properties, make more sound than usual. Misalignment. To keep the engine properly aligned, every vehicle needs a fully functional engine mount. When the engine drops to one side, then the engine mounts need immediate replacement. Engine damages. Most common reason behind the engine damage is the break-off engine mounts. As a result, the engine of the Mini can bounce off and shift from side to side. Conclusion. For maintaining the performance of the engine, take proper care of the engine mounts. If you found bad engine mounts in Mini while driving in Dallas, then consult a technician to replace the engine mount.